Hello everyone, Rahul here from Tech Review and I'm back with another iOS 13 beta installation tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to install iOS 13 beta or iPadOS 13 beta for free without the need of Xcode or any paid developer account. Yes, you will also find iOS 13 beta profile or iPSW download link in the description below. So without wasting any more time, let's start. But wait, before we get into the step-by-step tutorial for installing iOS 13 beta or iPadOS beta on your iDevice, I want to warn you that beta version of iOS 13 and iPadOS 13 may contain lots of bugs and crashes. So be sure to install iOS 13 beta on testing devices and avoid installing it on your private device. Also make sure you take a backup of your iPhone or iPad so that if something goes wrong and you need to downgrade later, you may do it easily without losing data. In case you are a beginner and don't know how to back up your iPhone or iPad, let me tell you the process. Open Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then tap on your Apple ID profile icon. On the next screen, tap on iCloud and now choose the apps you want to back up. Turn on the slider next to every app that you want to back up. Make sure you aren't leaving anything turned off whose data is important for you. Now, if you carefully notice, iCloud backup is currently turned off on my iPhone. So I'll tap on it and turn it on. Turning iCloud backup will ensure that my device will be backed up when connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in for charging using the lightning cable. But since we want to do it right now, so we will tap on backup now and iCloud backup will start. Depending upon your internet speed and backup data size, this might take some time, but it's definitely worth it. In case you don't want iCloud backup, there is another way to backup your data using iTunes. I am not going to provide step-by-step instructions for that in this video because I have already demonstrated that in my previous video. Just to keep this video short, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you may check it out if needed. Alright, now we have everything in place and we are ready to install iOS 13 beta on iPhone or iPadOS 13 beta on iPad. But before that, a quick message for you. This video is brought to you by techreviewpro.com. If you go to techreviewpro.com/iPhone security, you can download your free checklist for iOS settings and changes to make your iPhone more secure. Visit the download link in the description below and grab your free checklist right now. Okay, now let's start iOS 13 beta installation process using Windows. First of all, you need to download iPSW file for your device. I have provided the download link in the description. The iPSW file is pretty large in size and this might take some time. In the meantime, let's move on to the next step and download another important file from GitHub which is necessary for installing iOS 13 beta on your iPhone. Finally, you need iTunes for Windows, which I guess you already have. Download link for all the required files are in the description. And now that you have got all the required files ready, let's organize them in one folder for convenience. Therefore, create a new folder and extract the libmobile 2019 files into this folder. Also move the recently downloaded iPSW file in the same folder. Now, connect your iPhone or iPad to your Windows PC using the lightning cable. If this opens up iTunes, make sure you close that and open command prompt by typing cmd in the search box. Now open libmobile 2019 folder and scroll down until you find iDevice Restore. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it into the command window. Then in the command window, you will see a few lines of text. Now pay close attention to what I am typing. After the last letter, click the spacebar once. Then type -d followed by another space one more time. Now search for the iOS 13 iPSW file and drag it to the command window. Once done, finally hit enter. It may ask for the passcode on your iPhone. Enter your passcode and wait for a few minutes. Your iPhone or iPad will start booting and within 10 to 15 minutes, your device will be upgraded to iOS 13 beta or iPadOS 13 beta. However, if any error occurs during the process and your device gets stuck at recovery mode, don't worry, simply initiate the same process in the command prompt again. And your device will soon be running on iOS 13 beta or iPadOS 13 beta. Congratulations! Now enjoy the iOS 13 dark mode, keyboard swipe gesture and more. I'll soon follow up with a detailed video about what's new in iOS 13 beta and various features and changes in iOS 13 beta. So make sure you subscribe and tap on the bell icon to get notified. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.